Happy Manufacturing Day 2023. Team Tusco continues to grow, and that includes investing in our associates. Recently, 9 of our team members made the trek to Fabtech 2023. One attendee was finishing and assembly manager J.D. DeVore, who has been with Tusco for 29 years.
After being there 8 years ago at Fabtech, what stood out to me most was how the technology and stuff has changed over the years with the lasers, how many different lasers are out there at companies now that sell the lasers.
Jessica Miles attended her first Fabtech. She has been with Team Tusco for 2 years.
In one of our seminars at Fabtech, we had talked about racking. We could always have a pre-rack station set up. That way we're not having a lot of hands in the project. So once it's cut off the laser, if it doesn't need anything else, we could always start to pre-hang things.
Elizabeth Lute is a laser operator who has been with Team Tusco for 1 year.
I think that it's really cool that we got to attend Fabtech. We actually brought people from different backgrounds. It wasn't just leadership, so it's building our team from the ground up. The problem-solving seminar that I attended during Fabtech was very valuable information on our lean processes here at our plant.
Ashley Martin has been working as part of our finishing and assembly team for 3 years.
One of the things that I learned about in one of the classes I took is that the shape and the fillers of the powder really affect the pigment payout of it. And I thought that was really cool.
I would recommend that any new people that have not got to see much, have an experience to see technology and stuff out there, would be a good place for people to go to open up their eyes to see what's all out there for machines and technology.